Hello guys, today in this video I will show you this chat app that I made. So basically now let me show you the quick demo and let me explain. So here is a nav bar. Here in this nav bar we have a contact that this is a profile photo of the contact, and here's the name of the contact, and as you can see it is pointing at the text. It is called Sunny, and here you can see here that here's the conversation. So this is the contacts chat, which is hi Adam, and there is a background of white smoke, and here is the background which depends on these, and this is and here it says hi Sunny, and how are you, and then fine you, and then same. And here is the chat area where you will chat. So here is an typing area, so also known as input. Now I'm going to give you as hi, how are you. Then after that you could, and here is a button and which is a send button, and as you can see when I hover it'll do a transition and it'll show a shadow. And now let me show you the code. So here is the code. This is some HTML, and now let's show the CSS. So this is some CSS that I wrote, and now the image of the profile is this one, and you can use your own image. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, like and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to receive new updates from my channel, and also comment this video if you, and thanks and bye bye.